We are starting our journey with Avin Systems.
We are sure you are the next.
Soon after completing my BTech, I pursued my career in embedded systems. For that, I searched many institutions out there in Bangalore and in Pune. And in that situation, I come across a friend who is a student in Emertxe. He's an offline batch, and then he suggested me to join here, where he also got placed. And to join here, there are two options. One is an offline, and another one is online. There will be no difference for an online student and offline student, either in learning or in getting placement. Both the students will be taken care in the same priority level. That is the most thing I liked at Emertxe. And after joining Emertxe, I learned many things, including core syllabus like C, C++ and microcontrollers. And while completing each and every module, we will be taken every test in the specific domain, and those remarks will be given to us to get expertise in that domain. And in every module, we will be doing 2 to 3 projects, which will help us to gain more experience in that domain. And I have done 6 projects. I got help from my mentorship.
Emertxe was my choice, and really it was a good choice for me. Knowing only basics about programming and mastering it with the guidance of mentors and the support from Emertxe helped me a lot. I have completed 8 projects in Emertxe, and all these projects were real time, which I worked on it, and it really helped me to crack my dream job.
After my graduation, I'm interested to join a core domain. So as considering advice from my seniors, I joined Emertxe. Emertxe helped me a lot to build my career in embedded system. As initial days, I have struggled in programming languages, and with the support of mentors from the Emertxe, we implemented projects on hands-on projects like microcontroller programming and advanced C and various projects. So that built me confidence and to clear interviews. I have done 8 projects in Emertxe. Try to do more projects as possible as.
I have done 7 projects and I gained hands-on experience. By giving mock interviews, I got the confidence to crack the interview, which helped me to get focus in the embedded domain where I cracked the job. After completing of engineering, I decided to join Emertxe. In the Google, I have searched, where I got to know we will learn the practical hands-on experience, and where by giving mock interviews I have gained the confidence. By doing the projects, I have gained the hands-on experience.
I completed almost 9 projects to gain the real-time experience. After that, I faced a lot of challenges, like I'm very weak in English, communicating with others and expressing things. My mentors guide me very a lot to gain those skills to face every situation with a smile. Here, Emertxe is the best platform for embedded systems because of its gaining experience in real-time environment.
During the initial days of my BTech, I was always interested in embedded systems. And that is when I got to know about Emertxe during my second year itself. And after completion of my entire BTech course, I further wanted to improve and develop my skills in the embedded domain. So that is when I have joined Emertxe, which is one of the best platform to learn and get hands-on experience on the embedded systems domain. After each and every module, you will be working on a couple of projects, 2, even 3 or 4 also. And I have completed around 9 projects here at Emertxe, which really helped me a lot in gaining like hands-on experience, which will be very helpful when you go to a company and also when you're attending any interviews particularly. So those will be like helping you very much. Thank you so much for the Emertxe for getting me placed in Avin Systems, which is like one of my target companies to get placed in an automotive embedded systems domain.
During my final year, I came to know about Emertxe. So I have learned so many skills, which is very important to crack the job here. Here, I have completed more than 11 projects I have completed here. Like in Emertxe, I have joined here during my final year only. In my projects also, when I am trying to do my projects in my own. See, every project you have to do in your own. If you are facing any difficulty while you are doing your project, your mentor will support you a lot. Like I have joined Emertxe during my final year. Like in my 8th semester, I have joined here. So my better suggestion is to if in your college, if your faculty or your HOD or your principal they will accept that you are coming to Emertxe to continue your course, it's better to join Emertxe in your 8th semester only, because it saves your time only.
When I completed my BTech, I don't know coding. After coming and joining in the Emertxe, actually I am very good at coding. Actually, I did here 6 projects own with the help of mentors. Actually, it helps me a lot knowing the work in practical way. It's very helpful to join the Emertxe to start your career. Actually, it gives me a lot of confidence of practical work. So I cracked the interview very easily with the help of the projects.